Net trade receivables. At 31 December 20x6, a company's trade receivables totaled $216,000, and the allowance for receivables was $12,000. It was decided that debts totaling $3,250 were to be written off. The allowance for receivables was to be adjusted to the equivalent of 5% of the receivables. What figures should appear in the statement of financial position for trade receivables after deducting the allowance, and in the statement of profit or loss for receivables expense? Answer: allowance required 5% times $216,000 minus $3,250, $10,638. Existing allowance minus $12,000. Reduction in allowance minus $1,362. Irrecoverable debts written off plus $3,250. Receivables expense $1,888. Net trade receivables $216,000 minus $3,250 minus $10,638 equals $202,112.